My name is Rose, and in this video I'm going to be solving 4 Rubik's Cubes, and second of all, I'll teach you the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. These are 4 types of cubes. The Rubik's Snake, the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, the 2x2 Rubik's Cube, and the Pyramix. And this is my sister Rose, and she's going to be timing my Rubik's Cube solving, and she's going to scramble the cube. Next, I'm going to be solving the pyramid, and now you can start. You can start right now. To scramble the 2x2 Rubik's Cube so I can teach you to solve the 2x2. Now this is scrambled 2x2, and there are a couple moves I want to teach you. So it is right, and this is right inverted, left inverted, back counterclockwise, front counterclockwise, down counterclockwise, and up counterclockwise. And those. So next, the first step is to solve the white. So first you look for a starting point. If you have two like this, like a bar, you can start over there. But if you don't have one, you can start on one with this, like one weight. So first you're trying to get 3. So then I see I have one over here, so I can just move it over there. Next, I'll look for another piece over here or over anywhere. And I found this one on here. So then I'll put it over here. And then if you have this piece over here, you can move it over here. So you can have it like this or this, and do. So the first step is solving any color you like, and since it's a 2x2, it's like 2 times 2, so it's 4. So then first, for the starting point, you look for a bar like this, but since I don't have any, we can make one. So I'll start off with this white piece, and then I see I have one over here, so I can keep it over there. Next, you can look for a white piece anywhere else, and I see one over here, so I'll move it to the top layer. Next, you can have this white piece, so this white piece can be placed over here, or over here. Then you can do this algorithm a couple of times, and then it'll eventually solve. So right, down counterclockwise, right inverted. And then you right, down, right inverted, and down counterclockwise. Right, down counterclockwise. Right, down, right, inverted, right, down counterclockwise, and right inverted. And then white is solved. And then the next step is to get the top layer around the white. I solved into one color. So the algorithm is right, down, right inverted, left, down, left inverted, and right, down, and right inverted. Now the top layer is all solved after the white. Next, you'll flip over the cube so you can solve the yellow, and that's the next step. So if you have the yellows like this, you can keep one over here and one over here. Like this, you'll keep it over here, and what I have over here is like this. And if you have none, just don't worry about them, and do this algorithm. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up 2 times, and right inverted. If you do that a couple times, the yellow will solve with the right place. And next is the fourth step. And so, as you see here, I also got the orange solved. There might be 2 pieces like this. You can flip over to the opposite side or 1/3, and then one color will be solved. But if you don't have it, you can just do this algorithm 2 times with the right place. And do this algorithm. Right, front, right, back 2 times, right, front, counterclockwise, right, back 2 times, and right 2 times. And then you can do one move, and then the whole cube will be solved. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video, and happy on again.